Everybody's talking about Facebook custom audiences. However, what are custom audiences actually? Custom audiences are a great way to reach people you already know with Facebook ads. I know this doesn't sound so exciting, however, Facebook custom audiences are probably the most powerful advertising tool you have access to at this very moment. With Facebook custom audiences, you can re-engage with the people you already know or the people you already know you and your brand, because that group of people is the one who will most likely buy from you, most likely read your content or just become your email subscriber, right? So you can basically stop reaching out to strangers and make your entire marketing more efficient. And what you can do with custom audiences is just grab your internal data, upload it to Facebook, and then just re-engage with that people, target these people that you already know. And this is absolutely fantastic. It's just really a big game changer for many, many businesses. So the data that you can use is the email addresses of your customers. If you've got an email list, well, just upload these emails to Facebook and start reaching out to these folks. Do you have the phone numbers of your customers? Well, you can upload them as well, same as Facebook user IDs. Then there's website visitors. This form or subsection of custom audiences is also referred as retargeting. So if a certain visitor hit your website or just a very specific web page on your website, you can re-engage with him. You can reach out to him the next time he logs into Facebook. And if you're just running an app and there are some people who register to your app, you can just also re-engage with your existing app users. So there's lots of different data we can use. Custom audiences is really great. And in the next video, we will figure out why you should definitely make use of custom audiences, what custom audiences will change, and why they're really so incredibly valuable for you and your business.